small lake. Wow. That's insane. I guess it was like this yesterday too. That's what the pictures are from online. But damn, I had to see it with my own eyes. It looks like a damn lake. Yeah, it's a good foot of water in there, especially back around the bend there. And I hope it doesn't keep raining for another 2 days. Oh man, the drainage system's gonna get super clogged up in here. Man, look at that. That's insane. See, that's not even supposed to be a river right there. The river's over here, and it's usually like, 8 to 10 feet wide. Right now it's like a quarter mile wide. Oh yeah, and there's plenty of trees down, so it'll be nice and clogged. There's the other view, other side of it. Yeah, that's usually at the most about 30 to 40 feet wide at the most. Right now it's about 150, almost 100. Yeah, it looks like about 100.